Your car's water pump is crucial for engine cooling. It circulates coolant through the engine to prevent overheating. A failing pump can lead to serious engine damage. We'll cover the top 5 warning signs. Keeping an eye out for these symptoms can save you money and prevent major repairs. The most common sign of a failing water pump is engine overheating. You'll notice a rapidly rising temperature gauge or an overheating warning light illuminating on your dashboard. If you see this, pull over immediately to avoid severe engine damage. The water pump failure means coolant isn't flowing through the engine properly. Remember, the ideal operating temperature for most engines is between 195 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 to 105 degrees Celsius. Coolant leaks are a clear sign that your water pump's seals are failing. Look for puddles of coolant under your parked car, often appearing green, pink, or orange depending on the coolant type. Inspect the water pump area specifically for visible leaks around the housing or shaft. These leaks indicate deteriorating seals that can no longer contain the pressurized coolant. Ignoring coolant leaks will eventually lead to overheating as the system loses its cooling capacity. This can cause severe engine damage, including warped components or complete failure. Remember, leaks serve as an early warning sign to address the problem before it worsens. Listen for whining, grinding, or squealing sounds coming from the engine, especially when it's running. These noises often indicate worn bearings inside the water pump. Address these noises quickly before the pump completely fails. Don't mistake it for belt noise, which is usually higher pitched. Steam coming from under the hood, often accompanied by a sweet smell from coolant, indicates a serious problem. This means the engine is overheating and coolant is escaping. Stop driving immediately and let the engine cool down before investigating. Low coolant levels are a clear warning sign of potential water pump issues. Regularly check your coolant reservoir for drops in fluid level. If levels remain low, even after topping off, it often indicates a leak in the cooling system, which could be from the water pump. This reduction in coolant can lead to engine overheating and serious damage. Always use the correct coolant type for your specific vehicle to maintain proper protection. Prevent water pump failures with regular maintenance. Flush your coolant every 30,000 miles. Visually inspect the pump for leaks and check the belt tension. Consider AI-driven OBD2 apps for predictive failure warnings. Early detection saves money. Ignoring water pump symptoms can lead to severe engine damage. The most common consequences include warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, and complete engine seizure. Warped cylinder heads occur when overheating causes the metal to expand unevenly. This can lead to compression leaks and rough engine performance, as seen in cases like the 2018 Ford F-150 overheating incident. Blown head gaskets result from excessive pressure and heat, causing leaks between cylinders or to the outside. This leads to oil and coolant mixing, misfires, or external leaks, as shown in the head gasket failure diagram. Complete engine seizure happens when lack of coolant lubrication causes metal parts to fuse together. This catastrophic failure can destroy the entire engine, requiring a full rebuild. Repairing a water pump costs between $500 and $1,500, far less than rebuilding an engine, which can exceed $5,000. Addressing symptoms promptly saves significant money and prevents major damage. Stay vigilant and address water pump issues promptly to avoid these costly and damaging consequences. Regular maintenance is key to preventing engine failure.